All right, here we are. Got the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Look at this thing, man. This thing is beautiful. We're here to show you guys the back. It is smooth. Look at this. This is one of my favorite parts. No fingerprints. Look at that. No fingerprints. And man, this thing is smooth, man. Look at the scrolling on here. Show you guys some other stuff here. Let's look at that. Show you the camera quality on that. Look at that. The 6x, 1x, 3x. All right, and then let's show that 10x. That is clear for 10x. That is super clear. Show you some other things on here. Has the normal stuff. Samsung Pay. Love Samsung Pay. Going over here in the settings. Display. Got your dark mode on. Oh, look at that dark mode with the black. This is one of my favorite parts. I was talking about this in my other video. It's made out of metal, so it's going to be a lot sturdier than the other one. So that's really nice to see. It's really nice to see there. The biometrics. It's got the bigger fingerprint sensor. This is the model from Best Buy, so we're not going to make any changes to that. But it's running Android, super smooth. Can't wait to get my actual hands on this for myself. But I think you know, whoever gets this, man, they're gonna be definitely happy with this device. Let's see if we can pull up some texting. Yep, one there. Let's text this out. Tech your life. All right, check your life. You guys subscribe to the channel if you guys like this video. Well, like I said, man, this thing is fast. It's super quick. All right, look at all these options that you got here. You got AR Doodle, Pro, Panorama, Food, Night Shop, Portrait, Portrait Video, Pro Mode, Super Slow-Mo, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse, and Director's View. Let's try out the Director's View there. Look at that, man. So it's got me up here in the with the front, and you can just change the way things look on there. Man, that is, you can't beat that, man. All right. So that's my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S21. This phone is very fast. It's super smooth. The build quality is amazing. Feels really good in the hands. I love the metal covering over the camera, so you don't have to worry about the glass getting broken like on my Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. I can't wait to trade this phone in so that I can get something more sturdy, more dependable. And you know, you guys are going to want to try this out. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button below. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. If there's anything else that you guys want me to cover, let me know and I will cover it for you. All right, you guys take care and don't forget, tech your life.